Hi guys. The massive CEO of Binance recently bought Shiba News and YouTube for $4 million. The official Twitter account stated that the Shiba Inu team's initial plan to introduce a new mall called Real Plaza did not go as expected. However, it did introduce people to a new approach to accessing the Temple Hub, and the response has been overwhelming. This video will discuss tremendously. Today, Binance CEO bought $2 million worth of Shiba Inu Shib News. Don't forget to like and share the video, and subscribe to the channel to view our latest information on Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis. Without further ado, let's start playing the video. The crew made up for the lack of a real arena by provisioning the Temple Hub via Unreal Engine 5.1, and wall photographs to post were accompanied by My Temple, a hub introduced in concept art earlier this year. We appreciate your presence at the campfire. The feedback received was great. While we couldn't view the Real Plaza, we wanted to go back to My Temple and give everyone a first glimpse of the world center. Best wishes for the holidays. Ship Group. Thank you to everyone who attended the online Christmas edition of Fireside Chat. Developed by Epic Games, the Real 3D computer graphics game engine thanks to Unreal Engine 5.1 virtual landscapes for superior video gameplay and brighter colors. The ship's Metaverse Twitter account announced a giveaway for the occasion earlier this week. One lucky victor will receive a digital piece of land from the Metaverse's Silver Fur. Silver Fur is one of the 2024 virtual plots that make up the 4 levels of the Metaverse. The first level is known as Diamond Teeth, Platinum, Paw, and Gold Tail with 5,714 and 7,356 plots, respectively, making up the second and third levels, which contain 17,030 plots. The Silver Fur layer has the most ground in this regard. The main meme currency recently reached a new user milestone. As the number of Shiba Inu holders increases, the number of token holders has increased significantly over the past 2 days. According to data provided by wallet tracking service Catswell, over the past roughly 2 days, the number of Shiba Inu owners has grown by more than 2,000. That number was 1,256,965 on December 6, with 800 new members joining the next day. Despite the crypto winter that began in February this year, 250,000 new members have joined the ship with the greatest whales on the Ethereum network, adding just over $2 million in Shiba Inu to their wallets in the past day, according to a tweet posted by Whale Stats. A recent tweet from the Whale Stats wallet tracker indicates that the 500 greatest whales on Ethereum currently hold Shiba Inu meme coins worth $73,667,855. That's $2 million more than they held on Friday. This amount is equal to $216 million. SHIBA INU based on the 24-hour average exchange rate for ships. According to Whale Statistics, the average grayling balance increased by 1.43%. The top 500 orcas have a ship worth $73,667,853. Shib's transaction volume increased on Thursday and Friday, as shown by the chart on the Whale Stats website. It peaked at 26,567,659 gray on December 9th. However, whales continue to get graying, and society has been slow to keep the regular birds. In the last 24 hours, your burn rate has decreased by 60%. In fact, the whales have exchanged a staggering amount of over 5 trillion chub. On Friday, cryptocurrency tracker Whale Alert revealed 2 transactions involving about 2.8 quadrillion Shiba Inu coins. This amount of meme coins equates to about $52 million each year. However, these massive token transfers can be carried out by cryptocurrency exchanges that rearrange their reserves and are classified as unknown wallets that carried out such transfers. Therefore, redistribution of grain by whales may be a viable strategy. Following Binance's announcement that it will be liquidating its FTX token holdings, the price of token has fallen by 3% in the past 24 hours. The decision was made by Binance following the disclosure of a study indicating that the exchange interest token accounts for approximately 40% of the assets of Lambda Research, a trading firm closely associated with FTX. The news is an important reason for FTX's existence. It is down 11% in the past week and 73% from its all-time high of $84.18 in September. As rumors abound about the fluidity of the excuse's assets, FTT may incur additional losses in the coming days and weeks. This seemed to prove its price somewhat, but Binance announced that it would sell its holdings of the tokens, which made matters worse. She owns over $500 million in FTT, but the total amount is likely to be larger. What is problematic with the Binance's move is not only that it will put heavy selling pressure on FTX, but it also indicates that Binance has significant concerns about FTX and the financial viability of the limp. In a subsequent tweet, the SEC attempted to compare FTX and FTX to Terra in May of this year, which failed disastrously. Thus, the future outlook for the foreign exchange in the foreseeable future is not favorable. It lost 11% of its value over the past week and 63% of its value over the past year, whether its momentum is downward. So let's go back to the Shiba Inu. The Dogecoin price has outperformed the Shiba Inu, but this may change in the future if market conditions continue as they are. The SHIB could achieve market dominance and rally as Doge heads for lower price targets. Dogecoin price made a significant upward trend during the downturn, regaining 180% of the lost market capitalization for investors. On the other hand, the price of SHIBA INU remained unchanged. The November auction led to a 25% drop for graying investors, despite the fact that Doge was the best asset to hold as of December 7th. Using a comparison of technical analysis methods, you may soon be turning the tables on the popular meme coins. In the coming weeks, the price of the Shiba Inu may outperform the market using tradingview.com, and investors may figure out which asset will outperform the other by dividing the two assets using a simple formula. In this case, the ratio of Dogecoin price to Shiba Inu price shows that Dogecoin outperforms Shiba Inu. Since August 2022, Doge has performed 172% better than SHIBs. Moreover, investors can test the validity of the equation by examining each asset separately. Since August, the price of Doge has increased by 163%, as the price of gray hair increased by only 50%. Using the Elliott wave theory, the main chart of the Doge displays a distinct 5-wave impulse. Technical indicators also rebounded from the 38.2% Fibonacci level on November 10 and formed a double top on November 31. The Fibonacci retracement level is determined by comparing the August swing low with the November swing high. The aforementioned rise is the result of a doji rebounding by 52% between November 14th and November 31st. Over the same time period, the Chiba unit price lost 17% of its market value. If the Doge SHIB chart has already reached its peak, a slide to lower targets may occur in the opposite direction of the Shiba Inu's height. In other words, a drop to the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement line of the gold pocket could send the Shiba Inu price up by 40%. Notably, the price of the Doge could drop by 80%, while the SHIB would remain completely flat in order to realize the above probabilities. Score on Doji Chips chart. Given the correlation between both the assets and Bitcoin, the first scenario is likely to occur as shown by the divergence between Wave 3 and Wave 5 on the daily chart. The RSI supports the idea, though, that the Shiba Inu will soon surpass the price of Dogecoin. The divergence signal could be the reason for the decline which investors expect will turn the power around. The day this wraps up, don't forget to click on like Android, share the video, and subscribe to the channel to view our latest material.